In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a listing on Facebook Marketplace. If you've already posted something for sale and need to fix a detail, update photos, or adjust the price, this walkthrough will make it quick and stress-free. Start by opening your browser and heading to facebook.com/marketplace. Make sure you're signed into the account where you created the listing so you see the right items. Once the Marketplace page loads, look for the Marketplace section in the menu and click it. This takes you to the main hub where you can browse and manage your selling activity. From here, go to your profile area in Marketplace. You'll typically see your profile icon at the top or in the sidebar. Click it to open your personal Marketplace dashboard. Next, choose your listings. This view shows everything you've posted for sale, including active and pending items. Scroll to find the listing you want to change and select it. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct item by checking the title, photos, and price, especially if you're selling several similar products. With the listing open, click Edit Listing. This will open the full editing form where you can adjust any details you originally entered, go through the fields carefully, update the title to be clear and searchable, and refine the description so it answers common buyer questions like dimensions, condition, and what's included. If your price needs tweaking, change it here and make sure it reflects the item's condition and local demand. If you're switching categories or condition, pick the most accurate options so your listing appears in the right places. You can also replace or reorder photos. Use bright, clutter-free images and show the item from multiple angles. If location or pickup details have changed, update those sections as well so buyers know exactly where and how to get the item. Before you save, scan for any required fields you might have cleared or changed. Missing information can prevent your changes from going through. When everything looks good, click Save. Give the page a second to update, then review the listing to confirm your edits appear correctly on the public view. If you adjusted something important like the price or availability, consider monitoring your messages for new interest, since changes can boost visibility. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Facebook Marketplace listing. Keeping details accurate and photos crisp can help your item sell faster, and these steps make it easy to keep everything up to date. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your sale.